Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to withdraw Cryptomania money to bank account. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Cryptomania is a virtual trading simulator designed to offer users the experience of cryptocurrency trading without involving any real money. When you first open the app, you'll notice that your account is loaded with a large amount of virtual funds. This can be exciting at first glance, but can you withdraw it? Let's break it down. The full name of the app is Cryptomania, the trading simulator, which already hints that it's not a real trading platform. It's built for educational and entertainment purposes only, and it doesn't involve any real money transactions. Everything you see, from the funds to the price movements, is part of a simulated environment. Although the app may look and feel like an actual trading platform, all the funds shown are virtual and cannot be withdrawn or converted into real currency. Even if you build a massive portfolio within the app, the profits are fictional and purely for simulation. Lastly, the platform itself clearly states that it does not operate any real transactions, deposits, or withdrawal processes. It's a closed, risk-free environment where you can safely learn about crypto trading without spending a single dollar. And that's it. So that's basically how you can withdraw Cryptomania money to bank account. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.